Hi guys, and welcome to my channel please. So today's video is winter skincare routine. So I'm a huge fan of taking care of my skin. I know everyone is a fan of that, but I'm a huge fan of discovering new skincare brands because I want to test out which brand, which products suit my skin a lot. So recently I got contacted through Indus Value. So basically it's an organic skincare brand, and when they mailed me I was so excited to try their products. So I got some items from them, and I'm gonna review these products in this video, and definitely the reviews will be totally based upon my uses, like how I feel about the product, and all the reviews will be genuine. Believe me guys, I will share all the reviews in these videos. So I have used their 5 products. Yeah, I have used their 5 products. So basically I will show, it's been a week and two that I've been using their skincare products on daily basis, so that I can know how the products are working on my skin and I can give a review to all you guys. So let's just start with the before heads up is that I have a super oily skin, so some of the products are not that related to oily skin, I will say, but believe me, just proceed with this video. So the first thing that I use on morning, so basically it's a morning time, so I will do my morning skincare routine. So the first product that I put on my face after washing my face is this bio organic from Indus Valley oil skincare oil. I really love this packaging. It's on the like a very, I will say, travel friendly one, because it's not a glass bottle, so I can definitely carry whenever I'm traveling. I travel a lot, so I can carry it whenever I'm traveling. So the benefit of this oil are already written in the front side of this bottle, and the benefits are it's diminishes scars, perfect stretch mark, even and enhance the skin tone, minimizes lines, nourish, hydrate and moisturize, target pore refinement, instantly dissolves makeup, even waterproof. So basically it's all rounder oil. So I have used this oil on my face as a like face oil kind of thing, especially to target my pore refinement. I've got a huge pores on these areas, so I really want something which can minimize my pores. So I was really excited to use this. Just see the magic. So the oil is a green color. I just take a 2 drop of it. It's a green color oil, and just rub it on my skin and then apply it on my face. So I don't know if the camera is catching up it or not. As soon as I apply it on my face, it just make it so hydrating. So basically in winter time, in the winter time what happens is that the skin get very dehydrated. It looks very dehydrated after having a like oily skin. I know I have a super oily skin, but sometimes it looks like I have got some dehydrated skin. So this oil really gives a hydrated feeling on my skin instantly. I'm a huge fan of it. I really love this. If you have oily skin, don't afraid to use this. It's an amazing one, and also as it says, you can use it to remove makeup. I have never used it, but I will use it. So I hope that you purchase it. I will definitely say guys, purchase this one because it's amazing, and also the brand is very affordable. This skin oil, the bio oil, costs for 500 bucks, but you will get it on Flipkart on very discounted price. I think I have got it at 200 or 300 something. I love it. Definitely you should give it a try. So as this is the morning time, I don't leave the home without applying sunscreen. Yes guys, you don't leave the home without applying this sunscreen. You need a sunscreen on your face before leaving the house. So if so the sunscreen that I've got from their range is this Sun Guard Aloe Vera Gel SPF 22. I have never used any sunscreen beyond 30, I will say, like less than 30 SPF. I've never used it, so first time I have tried this one, and I will say I love it, and it has cost me for 250 rupees, like 249. I love this. The one thing I really don't love about this sunscreen is the packaging. It's very bulky, and it's not at all travel friendly. So I have to carry some other sunscreen with me where I want to carry this one. I just want them to change the packaging. It's very, very bulky. The first impression after smelling this I got that it is made with chandan, because literally guys it smells like chandan, and as it says it has got aloe vera gel in it, so it's not at all oily. So for oily skin girls out there who are afraid to use sunscreen, because I know sometimes sunscreen give a lot and lot of breakup due to its oiliness on it. Believe me, if you use this, it's a gel formulation, it instantly hydrates your skin, it instantly absorbs on your skin. As I said that it absorbs on your skin very easily, so it's amazing for all these skin types. So if you guys are on the hunt of a use of new sunscreen, I will say definitely you can purchase it. I have got it from Amazon, and again I am a huge fan of this. So this is all the things that currently I'm using from their range on the morning time especially. So yeah, you can give a try to it, but there are more items that I have got it from there. The third one is this night cream. I am not a huge fan of it, I would say. So basically I love the packaging. Definitely it's a compact one, you can carry it. The one thing I really don't like about it is that it's too thick on your skin. So I have an oily skin, as I mentioned thousands of times in the video. So it has a very thick formulation, so it don't suit my skin a lot. But alternative days wise I use this whenever I feel like my skin needs some kind of boost. I definitely use it, but it's not good for the oily skin. I'm not so good, but it's not great for the oily skin. But if you have a dry or normal skin, definitely you can go for this. It's a organic rose petal powder. I liked it, but I have not loved it. I really like the smell of it, because I definitely know it has got multani mitti, because I have smelled it. Yes, the thing that I didn't like about this face pack, I will say, it's very much granulated. So basically it's a powder formulation, so whenever you're blending it with the water or rose water, whatever it is, it forms, the granules are very, very huge, so it don't stick on your skin for a very long time. And definitely I didn't get that smooth finish also. So I don't like powdery kind of a face pack. One thing is that it's very messy to blend, it's very messy to apply. The second one is that it's very much granulated, the granules are very big, so I didn't like it. Might be you guys will like it if this is your cup of tea, powder face pack, but this is not my cup of tea. I hope that they can come with some tube or paste kind of a face pack that is easy to apply, and I'm good to go. So the last product that I've got from their site is the Indus long lasting wicking cool roll-on, perfume roll-on. So the thing is that it says it's long lasting, but it's not long lasting. So I didn't use this for a long time, I will say. I just gave up. I don't know why. I didn't feel like using it. First of all, it has got the rolling one. I am not a huge fan of a rolling perfume, but I love the smell. Definitely I love the smell. It has got that cooling sensation, so whenever you're just rolling it up after taking the shower, it definitely give a like cooling sensation under the arms. But it's not long lasting, it's not at all long lasting. It will last at least 3 to 4 hours, so you have to reapply 1,000 of time. So I will say you can give it a try, but it's not that great for long lasting thing. So all of this product that I have purchased, the two biggest thing that I loved and I discovered is these two products. The first one is the bioorganic oil. It's an all-rounder oil. I'm in love of it. I'm in love with it. I just wish they can make it a bigger bottle also, because it costs for 500 rupees, and a bigger size one, a bigger ml one will be much I will say helpful for us. The second one is this sunscreen. I am a lover with it. instead of having SPF 22. But the one thing that I don't love about it is the packaging, and hope that I hope that they will change the packaging. So these are all the items that I've got from their site, and these are all the things that what I have after using, what I felt about the products. I hope that you have enjoyed today's video. You have got to know some new skincare products. If you love it, don't forget to click a like to this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. And also, subscribing to my channel, it's free. So just subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next video. Till then, you all stay beautiful. Bye.